Are you curious about what each warning light on the 2024 Kia Carnival dashboard means? In this guide, we'll explore the various warning indicator lights and provide a detailed overview of the dashboard cluster to ensure you stay informed and safe on the road. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Airbag warning light, seatbelt warning light, regenerative brake warning light, anti-lock brake system, ABS warning light, electronic brake force distribution system warning light, electric power steering, EPS warning light, malfunction indicator lamp, charging system warning light, sport mode indicator light, engine oil pressure warning light, forward collision avoidance assist warning light, master warning light, low tire pressure warning light, electronic stability control ESC off indicator light, electronic parking brake warning light, front fog indicator light, electronic stability control ECO mode indicator light, immobilizer indicator light, turn signal indicator light, low fuel level warning light, high beam indicator light, high beam assist indicator light, light on indicator light, cruise indicator light, LED headlamp warning light, lane safety indicator light, low beam indicator light, auto hold indicator light.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2. Scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.